How to play Roblox in full screen mode. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play Roblox in full screen mode. To play Roblox in full screen mode on PC, first of all you need to open your Roblox player application on your PC, and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here now you will need to play any one of the game. Click on the game, and inside it here you'll be able to see the play button. Go ahead and click on the play button in order to start the game. Once you are on the game page, here you can use the keyboard shortcuts in order to play Roblox in full screen. You can press F11 key from your keyboard to toggle on the full screen. If that doesn't work, you may also try Alt press Enter button of your keyboard, or also Shift plus F11 keys for full screen without the text bar showing. If you are unable to do so, you may also click the ESC key from your keyboard, and this will open up the menu. In this pop-up, here at the top you will be able to see the settings option. Click on the settings, and once doing that, here at the left side you will be able to see different options. You will need to scroll down and find the full screen option. Once you find it, here at the right side you will be able to see currently it is turned off. To turn it on, you just simply need to click on the arrow at the right side and your Roblox will be played in a full screen. So by following the steps, you should be able to play Roblox in full screen mode on PC. These methods will enhance your gaming experience by maximizing the display area. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.